Good day everyone, we are Putri and this is our discussion on Module 3. So our topic today is about livestock intensification and food security in the Philippines. So the Republic Act of 84, number 8435, also known as the Agriculture and Fisheries Modernization Act or the AFMA, in the Philippine Development Plan or the SDG of 2023 to 2028 promote the modernization of the livestock sector to improve breeds, better feeds, disease control systems, and climate resilience agricultural practices. So these policies aim to increase productivity, stabilize the food supply, and meet the growing demand for meat and dairy products, such as milks and other meat products, thereby strengthening national food security.
The Department of Agriculture supports livestock intensification through programs such as artificial insemination, livestock dispersal, and strengthened biosecurity measures to control disease like African swine fever. In addition, research initiatives from the Philippine Foods Council for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources Research, and development help improve animal health and promote sustainable production system. So, however, access to these technologies is not equal. Large commercials farm often benefit more due to better capital and infrastructure, while smallholder farmers may struggle with limited resources and technical support.
From a science, technology, and society perspective, livestock intensification raises important ethical and social concerns. Animal race is controlled system that experience stress and reduce welfare. Furthermore, intensive production often relies heavily on antibiotics, which can contribute to antimicrobial resistance, a global health concern highlighted by the World Health Organization. With a truly socially intensified system may disadvantage small farmers who cannot compete with large agri-businesses. Potentially communities, this shows that technological practices must also consider ethical responsibility and social equity.
And environmental impacts are also significant. Large-scale livestock farms generate substantial amounts of waste, which can contaminate water and soil if not properly managed. They also emit greenhouse gases such as methane, contributing to climate change, as noted by the Food and Agriculture Organization in 2013. The Republic Act number 9003 requires proper waste management practices. However, enforcement in rural areas is sometimes weak, highlighting the need for stronger monitoring and compliance mechanisms to ensure environmental sustainability.
So, to promote sustainable and ethical livestock production with a promising food security, we recommended three key strategies. First, adopt climate-smart technology such as biogas digester, methane, reducing feeds, and climate resilience housing system. Second, strict inclusive extension services by providing small farmers with access to training, feeding, and modern technology. Third, enforce stricter animal welfare and environmental regulation to ensure responsible production practices across all farmer sizes.
So, in conclusion, livestock intensification has played an important role in improving food security in the Philippines. However, it also presents ethical, social, and environmental challenges. Therefore, agricultural policies must balance productivity with sustainability, fairness, and responsible governance to ensure long-term and inclusive food security.
Thank you.